Beautiful, isn't it? Did you know that virtually every country relies on products made with the blow molding process? The range of applications for these products are far-reaching. We'll be talking about EBM, or Extrusion Blow Moulding. The global EBM plastics market size was valued at nearly $80 billion and is expected to keep growing. Extrusion blow molding is an important manufacturing process used to make a range of products. Moplan RP242G is a high melt-strength random copolymer PP, which can provide high transparency, excellent chemical resistance, and good processability for Parison control. Because of its good melt strength, RP242G can be processed easily and designed in various bottle products with very good product aesthetics. Have you ever had this happen to you? Our material, Moplan RP6068, can solve this problem. Due to its softness and high impact strength, the tube is flexible. Moreover, for big-size bottles, Moplan RP6068 can deliver good impact strength and excellent drop impact testing performance. Through operational excellence, industry-leading technology, and customer focus, HMC Polymers delivers products that improve the quality of life for people in Asia and around the world.